The charge reverse is a trick in pen and spinning, and is one of the fundamental tricks that some people consider to be one of the hardest, and I'm going to teach you how to do it today. First off, I apologize for not doing this sooner. I really didn't have that much time from the time to actually learn this trick, but yeah, I'm going to make that up by doing a tutorial for it now. Anyways, charge rev, as you know, is the opposite motion of a charge, which if you're right-handed, the charge goes clockwise, and obviously the reverse would go counterclockwise. Again, this is if you're right-handed like me. If you're left-handed, it's the opposite. So anyway, yeah, the charge rev looks like this. That would be the continuous charge reverse. Anyways, to start, you generally want to learn in finger slot 1, 2. You want to have most of the pen, but not too much of it, out front. The center of the pen is probably maybe here. You want to pinch it just above that. And people say that when you do the charge, you wiggle your top finger, which is true, but there's a little more to it. Like you do with a regular charge, you need to do the little swing motion to get the pen going, and then you just have to keep moving that one finger. For the charge reverse, it's obviously the same, but it's just opposite motion. So instead of doing it like this, you have to move the top finger, and it'll go like that. Now, what actually helped me learn this trick, I didn't actually practice this on my own, just by itself. What I actually did was I actually went on and learned other tricks like sonic reverse, and that kind of helped me with the motion. And also twisted sonic reverse, which is that also helped me with the motion, mainly because I spin high style that you use twisted sonic reverses a lot. So that's basically how I actually learned it. The reason why I learned it this way was because, one, it was easier. And it's easier because when you do a twisted sonic reverse or a sonic reverse, it's only a 0.5 charge reverse instead of a continuous. The continuous is a little more tricky, but trust me, after you learn the sonic reverse and the twisted sonic reverse, it's so much easier. And again, I just practiced doing the 0.5 charge reverse in all the other tricks, and then after a while I was able to get the hang of doing maybe one charge, and then after that I could just do a continuous charge. So like everyone else does say, you do need to wiggle your top finger back and forth, but again, you need to have the pen start around here and then flick it forward. Like, I kind of explain motions like that. It's kind of like over and out. It's not just straight, because if you just do it straight, it goes like that. You kind of want to go like this, as if you're turning something over, like that. And that's just 0.5. Obviously continuous, like the charge reverse, you have to get your finger moving in sync with the pen and making it move like that. So I hope this helps. I can't really explain much other than that. If you have sonic reverse, I know I have a tutorial on that, I'm pretty sure. Learn that, and then that motion easily carries over to a charge reverse. And learn twisted sonic reverse, which is that. I don't have a tutorial on that yet, but yeah, you can just try that instead. So again, learning the charge reverse 0.5 is significantly easier, and then you can just easily carry that on to do a charge reverse continuous like this. But realistically, you don't really need to learn continuous, because most tricks, like I said, the sonic reverse, for example, and the twisted sonic reverse, only need 0.5 charge, and as most tricks do that, you won't really need to know continuous charge reverse. The only real trick that you might need it would be whatever this is. I don't know. Is that like inverse sonic reverse? I don't know. But that's only like a charge 1.0. It's not even continuous. So don't try to spend too much time trying to learn it continuously, but just learning enough to maybe do 1 or maybe 2 revolutions is just fine. So that's the tutorial on the charge reverse. Hope this helps for all you that are struggling out there, and yeah, good luck.